hope you're well and welcome to today's video. So this is an impromptu mini skincare haul because I went on a bit of a Cerave kick because everything was half price, and one new sunscreen because I don't know what is wrong with my face, but it's reacting. You know, when I've got like a product reaction because it's just like bumpy all over, and I actually don't know if it's my Bare Minerals foundation and powder, or it's my hyaluronic acid, or it's my sunscreen. I don't know. So I've decided to just go all CeraVe and try a new sunscreen as well. So I'll start off with what I picked up in CeraVe. I got this Blemish Control Cleanser. It's unclogs pores, removes blemishes and excess oil while maintaining the protective skin barrier. It's really nice. It's great as like a second cleanse. I'll use my Emma Hardy first to remove my makeup, and then I'll just cleanse with this, and it's just nice. So far so good, like it. Then I picked up the Facial Moisturizing Lotion PM. Do you remember I loved this? And then I can't remember whether I said it wasn't working or something. I don't know, but I haven't seen the PM in the UK before. So when I saw it, I was like, I need to get it and try it again and just go back to basics. So I really like it. I'm using it every night. It's great. It does what it says. But what I was really after from CeraVe was the eye cream. Now, I've had this several times. It's a really nice basic eye cream. The one that I was using from Neostrata has vitamin C in it. And it was just making around my eyes just, you know, speckly. And I don't know whether that's because it was just too much vitamin C along with my vitamin C serum as well, which I've kind of stopped using because I went for a skin analysis where they recommend the Zoe Skin Health. And she was saying for oily skin that a vitamin C serum is not good, that it blocks pores. And I'm like, really? But this one is for oily skin. So this one's formulated specifically for. But she was saying something like you don't really need it, and the Daily Defense has vitamin C in it. So when I got back from holiday, I started using my Floritan CF again, and I just kept breaking out in these little like white heads. And I thought, what's like, I'm exfoliating like, you know, a lunatic. How can I keep getting like little clogged pores when I'm exfoliating all the time? So I've stopped the vitamin C. I stopped all the Zoe. I went back to Paula's Choice 2% BHA, and I noticed an immediate difference the next morning. My skin is smooth, clear, glowy. It's a really good product, and I just splash it on with fingers. This morning I put back on the Zoe Daily Defense just to see. And then I kept thinking, you know, I used to use serums. I didn't really use hyaluronic acid. I used to use serums, so I've been looking up the serums I used to use, like the Estee Lauder Idealist. I loved that. I loved Lancome Visionaire. I remember using the number 7 Perfect and Protect. So I think I'm going to go for the Estee Lauder Idealist because I remember I loved it. The one in the green bottle. It really smooths out pores and everything like that. That was really good. So I think I'm going to get that and put the hyaluronic acid to the side. I don't know why that would be affecting my skin, or could be my sunscreen. I don't know. Okay, the last thing I got from CeraVe is a foot cream. I love a foot cream. This is a CeraVe SA renewing foot cream. So it exfoliates, moisturizes and soothes. And I like it. It's nice because I have to, after every shower, cream my feet. Like, my whole body is an oil slick, but my feet are just the driest ever. Oh my gosh. So I thought I'd try this. And because everything was literally half price in Superdrug, I was like, I'm just going to get it all, you know. So on the CeraVe kick, and oh, do you remember when they sent me a whole box of stuff? CeraVe sent me a whole box of stuff. Do you remember? Do you remember when I got sent stuff? Oh my goodness. Okay, I kept the best till last because I saw somebody using this on YouTube and I made a note to try it. And then I saw Simone Scribes on Instagram raving about it. And I thought, I've got to try it next when I finish my Helio Care, which is nearly finished. I was going to get another one. But I was I don't know whether I think that's breaking me out. I don't know. So I thought I'd get it, and it is the Beauty by Joseon Sun Relief Rice Plus Prebiotics SPF 50 plus. People are raving about this. You can get it off Amazon. It's fragrance free, and it's a very liquidy consistency. I don't want to waste it. I will not waste it. I'll do a skincare routine and I'll show you. But it's almost like, this is a Korean brand, Beauty by Joseon. Anyway, it's very watery. It's like, and it's completely different to the Helio Care, because the Helio Care is quite, it feels like a moisturizer, and I quite like the feeling of it. But this, you're like, has this even got SPF 50 in it? It's very lightweight, and the reason I chose that was because the girl who I saw recommend it first has acne prone skin like me, and she said it was amazing for that. So that's why I got it, and I'm just gonna see now if it calms down my skin, because I just hate when I feel like I've got a reaction to something, and it's just like, it's just a process of elimination, and that's what I'm doing. So that is that. Love it. Will do a video on the consistency of it, and yeah, there we go. So there we have it. That is my impromptu skincare haulage, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.